Hey everybody, it's Yafa and it is Tuesday, March 24th. I'm going to talk about something controversial. I've gotten a lot of thank yous from this, a lot of gratitude, and I've also been called crazy and I don't know what else. First of all, I want to say that I am a firm advocate of science, and I believe that there are things beyond science or things that have been proven, but with other modalities, I guess you'd say, besides science. So, for instance, as far as I know, God has not been proven to exist except by faith or by things that have happened to us that show us in some way that God exists. So, that being said, those of you that are interested in alternative kinds of healing probably will be interested in this. That there's a group of remedies called Bach flowers. And I'm not going to go into the science or non-science, depending on your point of view, of Bach flowers. You can go to their website, which is bachflowers.com. So that's BACHFLOWERS.com. What I wanted to talk about is one of their remedies called Gentian, which is Gentin. Now, I believe that these work. I also believe that you should go to the website and see which remedy is going to be the best for you, depending on what's going on. However, Gentian is used for resolving or easing the anxiety or depression with a little d. I'm not saying this is a substitute for medication. Not at all. I'm not saying this is a substitution for therapy. Not at all. I'm saying it's an addition. It's called alternative medicine, but to me, it's about additional help. So I think science is super important, and I think getting supplemental help in addition to scientific help is also very helpful. So Gentian is used for when somebody's experiencing a setback of some sort. And you may feel defeated by that. I really, really, really hate setbacks. Like, they're completely normal. Athletes experience setbacks. Business leaders experience setbacks, but I hate them. So I do tend to use Gentian, and I've suggested it to friends, and they've found it helpful also. So I'm going to read what they say about Gentian. That is the Bach Flowers Company. And you can go to that website if you want, and you can look it up. I make no money off of them. You should look at what the ingredients are. Some of the remedies are cured in some kind of alcohol, so be aware of that. I am just making you aware of this. I have no idea how it's going to affect you because I don't know who's listening. So you really need to make your own educated decision. I am not a doctor, and I am not a health professional of any kind. So make your own decision. So Gentian is spelled Gentin, and it says, this Bach flower essence brings a return to faith, not only faith in God and the higher self, but faith in the meaning of life and faith in one's own future. It can, and then I'm just adding, like sort of summarizing, it can help with pessimism and worry and just feeling really frustrated. It says a temporary Gentian state can come about as a result of extreme circumstances, which we are in. These might include a lingering illness, a prolonged period of unemployment, or the death of a loved family member, friend, or pet. Yeah, it's for people that can be easily discouraged, which I can't be, honestly. So I just wanted to share that with you. I don't know who I'm talking to because there's no live audience here. So you really need to look at your own medical conditions to see if this is right for you. But if it is right for you, I just wanted to offer a suggestion. You can buy Bach flowers on their website and get more of an explanation, but it's also available in natural food stores and probably on Amazon too. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. That's my tip for the day, to help with enduring or enjoying or being a little more relaxed during the pandemic. All right, thanks everybody, and I will talk to you again soon. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, just go to the subscribe button. It's somewhere around here. Wow, my finger looks like not my finger. And if you're interested in contacting me, you can email me at coach@blocktobrilliant.com. I will put those links below. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.